7 by 8 of 4 by 5 divide 3 by 4 of 9 by 10 minus 1 by 2 times 5 by 9. So as per BIDMAS or PEMDAS, we know first we have to do bracket or parenthesis work, then other things, and division and multiplication we will do left to right, and also addition and subtraction left to right. So here is of is under other things. Look, 8 divide 4, it will be here is 2 and here is 1. So 2 times 5 it should 10, and 7 times 1 it's a 7. Then divide. Here is also same thing, 3 by 4 of 9 by 10. So we cannot simplify this one, that's why 3 times 9 it will be 27, and 4 times 10 it will be 40. Then minus 1 divide 2 times 5 divide 9. So here is division. So after division, fraction will be flipped. So we can write like 7 divide 10 times 40 divide 27, minus here is 5 divide 18, because 1 times 5 is a 5 and 2 times 9 is a 18. Now 10 times 1 is a 10 and 40 divides 10 is a 4, right? So here is 7 times 4 is a 28 divide 27 minus 5 divide 18. Now look, 27 and 18, once we make LCM, 27 and 18, so we can divide by 3, so 9, and here is 6, right? And again 3, here is 2, and here is 3, and here is 2. So 3 times 9, 9 times 27, 27 times 2, it should be 54. 54 is our LCM. So 2, so here is 56, minus 54 divide 18, it's a 3. 3 times 5 is a 15. And finally 56 minus 15, here is 1. 5 minus 1 is a 4, and here is 54. This is our answer. Next question. Here is 2 by 3 times 4 by 5 of 4 7 by 12. Here is 1 and 2 mixed fraction. First we have to make this one improper fraction. So here is 3 times 3 is a 9, 9 plus 2 is a 11, 11 by 3 times 4 by 5 of 12 times 4 is a 48, 48 and 7 it will be 55 divide 12. So first we have to do the work of, so 4, here is 1, and 12 divide 4 is a 3, 5 divide 5 is a 1, and 55 divide 5 it will be 11. So we can write 11 divide 3 times 11 divide 9. No, here is not 9, here is 3. Okay, then 11 times 11 is a 121, and 3 times 3 is a 9. Okay, so we can divide this one like 121, here is 9, so 1 9, here is a 3 1, 3 times 3, 3 times 9 is a 27, so here is 4. So our answer is 13, 4 divide 9. This is our answer. So this one is number 1, this one is number 2, and this one is number 3. So here is 1 by 2 divide 3 by 4 of 8 by 9 times 1 4 by 5. So this mixed fraction we have to make improper fraction. So 1 divide 2 divide, so this one we can simplify like 9 divide 3 is a 3, and here is 1, and 8 divide 4 is a 2, and 4 divide 4 is a 1. So we can write 1 times 2 is a 2, and 1 times 3 is a 3, and here is times 5 times 1 is a 5, 5 plus 4 is a 9 divide 5. Okay, now we have to do division work. So 1 divide 2 times, this fraction will be flipped, it means 3 by 2, and times 9 divide 5. Okay, and then we cannot divide anything, so 2 times 4, 2 times 2 is a 4, 4 times 5 is a 20, and here is a 9 times 3 is a 27, 27 times 1 is a also 27. So our answer is 7 by 20. Okay, this is our answer, and we stop here of this video. So we are trying to solve three fraction we are simplifying, so it's very important for examination. Thank you very much being with me. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.